Hello, welcome to Honey of Knowledge. This is Ashish Gaurav, and today is the second Friday vlog. So let's start the discussion with a basic probability scenario. Let us suppose there are two friends and they only live in big metropolitan cities of our country. Let's say that the country has 10 cities. So, at any point of time, they can be in any of those cities. So, what is the probability that they live in the same city in their span of life? Let's say the span of life is 60 years. If they only live in those 10 cities, so what is the probability that they live in the same city in at some point of their life? So this is one question which I was quite intrigued by while I was doing my internship last year, and I tried to develop a Python simulation, and I thought it was giving good results, but then there were a lot of continuity issues around there because people don't live in discrete times; they live in continuous times. So I'm still trying to figure out the right way to answer that question. But yes, moving from that to other application of Python simulation, uh, I developed a Cricket World Cup semi-final prediction system, or rather, a system to predict the semi-finalists of Cricket World Cup of 2019, which was doing quite nicely. Which brings me to this question: are you interested in more Python simulation, or is it just me who is producing content on Python simulation probability? Because I love that format of videos, because I believe that a lot of questions which are very difficult to solve uh, theoretically becomes very easy to solve through Python programs, partly because you're not actually doing the mental calculation. It is being done by Python, and rather we are using brute force rather than smart work. But I mean, computer programs are meant to do that. They are meant to do our brute force thing. So I kind of enjoy writing those codes. So if you want to learn Python programming, I would be recommending you few resources in a future course of time, and I could also make a small video on that, but but that's not the focus of this channel. So maybe we will not do that, but I could do it, giving it a mathematical flavor. Let's see how things happen and how the content structuring happens around this channel. So I have developed a basic timeline of the content which I'll be posting. Now, one thing is that I have to write something on write not write. I'm used to blogging, so I'm used to saying I'm supposed to write, but actually I'm supposed to produce a video content. I'm supposed to produce a video content on COVID-19, and it has been long due. But the idea is the way I was analyzing data was not efficient, and I was not happy with it. So I completely rubbed that analysis out, and I'm redoing everything again and thinking what to post in the channel which is informative and is not just another run of the mill kind of a thing. It should be something worth posting to the channel. So apart from that, I have a lineup of contents. I will just show you that around. And there are two experimental things which I want to do. One, I want to solve a lot of physics, maths, chemistry, and economics questions. I mean, those are like undergrad and pre-undergrad level questions in a video format with a spin, with my spin on it. And I would also like to do a capsule-sized course of all my courses which I have covered in my masters at Indian Statistical Institute. So the master's program is known as MSQE. So I'm thinking of having a small playlist of MSQE courses and doing bite-sized videos. I mean, 10 to 15 minutes videos or 5 to 10 minute videos depending upon the content. uh, and one more thing which I forgot to tell you, I am thinking of a scenario where an interviewer and an interviewee are interacting, and both of them want to minimize their expected loss. So it can be modeled using a probability situation. So I'm thinking of that problem. I'll detail the problem as and when I give it more structure. Having told you this video sequencing, I would like to ask your comments. What do you think is lacking in this channel so we could work on it? And please subscribe to this channel, because if you don't subscribe, how would I know how many people are willing to watch the content which I am producing? Because it would be like I am producing the content and I don't know if people want that content or not. So I don't want to be narcissistic in this content creation system. So comment, like, and even if you don't like, then dislike. I mean, there are two options. If you like something, then like. If you don't like something, then dislike, so that I would know which of the videos you like and which of the videos you did not like. So with this idea, uh, I would like to say that watch all the videos. And did you watch the last video which I posted on game theory, and how content creators, rather journalists, comedians, talk show hosts, tend to target popular ideas and personalities, and they get a lot of patronage out of it, and why they keep on doing it? If you did not watch that video completely, you might have missed that portion out, because I only start talking about it after 10 minutes of the video. So if you have skipped the video and not watched it completely, or you have just left watching it before 10 minutes, then you would not understand the model there. And I have also written a blog post on it. So go to that video again, look at the blog post, and there's also my slides there in the description of the video. So go to the slides, go to the blog post, watch the video again after 10 minutes, because before 10 minutes I just described the Nash equilibrium and game theory thing. So if you already know Nash equilibrium and game theory, just jump to 10 minutes and go watch from 10 minutes till the end. So then you'll understand what I'm trying to say. So I would like to end this vlog. Thank you. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, and comment what you want to say to me. Bye bye.